history once again. It's the man in
Malaki
the black
tax nun.
trunks.
Sabay ganun eh, no?
The man you know by just one name. That's how you know it's made.
Sunod naman.
Kasi nga mahaba yung kanyang kamay. Oh my goodness.
Pangimukha niya, tinatakpan.
Hindi, kailangan eh, dahil mahaba nga ang kamay.
This is a people's champ right here. Everyone loves Manny. He's a
One of those stiff jabs there from Barrios. It looked like it snapped the head of Pacquiao back during that sequence.
Oh, tamo oh.
Shook him up a little.
Buti na nakasara yung mukha ni, ni Pacquiao lagi. Kundi tatamaan lagi, di ba?
Didn't follow up.
I mean, we're seeing in pockets the limitations, the age of Manny Pacquiao. As long as his balance and his stamina can hold on.
Nako, sabi niya lalaban ka. Sabi ko, suntukin ko.
Already, though, he's moving a lot more than he did against Ugas some 4 years ago, in which he said he was getting leg massages 3 times a day. He cramped up in that fight. Since
Indian
then,
pala
he's
to, kala ko
massages
Spanish.
once a week, and he says he feels a lot younger because of that.
Oh,
Mexican na no.
Mexican, American.
Pacquiao moving a lot more.
Mga Texas, di ba marami sila?
Quickness. But again, Barrios not yet throwing a lot of punches like Ugas did against Manny Pacquiao, and that gave Manny problems. And there it is.
Round 4 pa lang?
Barrios throws punches. He lands. He lands.
Kaya mo yan, Pacquiao.
Nice counter
You can do it.
from Mario Barrios.
Wala
Manny
sa'yo
Pacquiao
yan.
tried to get a
My
couple of body
goodness.
shots in, and
Ang
there's
hanip eh, no?
leaping uppercut there from Mario Barrios. Now establishing the jab against the veteran. Look, if he can get Manny Pacquiao walking backwards, that's the fight.
Uppercut mo kaya, Pacquiao? Ang hanip, uppercut. Kala mo naman.
Ano niya, nabangan niya.
Oo nga, uppercut mo na lang siya dahil eh.
That's the key to winning.
Tangkad,
Oo, mahirap pala tong
Parang sa makapuwa eh.
uppercut mo na lang siya.
Right uppercut.
Sa ilalim ng baba.
Maybe not
Diba?
landing
Kasi mataas eh.
but he's getting there and he's making Manny Pacquiao
Hindi niya maabot.
think before he commits.
Naku, mahirap.
Even though Barrios has had the upper hand for most of this round, you can still see
Ayun,
the
oh.
area of the speed of
Manny, come on, you can do it.
Bigay palakas ang loob
Ang palakas niya na, oh.
Support.
Oo nga.
Siya pa na ano.
Puro sa babae kasi maliit siya eh. Sabihin maano siya. Pinupush pa siya.
Tinulak ng
Oo nga eh. Kasi nga pinupush. Na yung natatamaan yata ni Pacquiao sa sa belt din si si Barrios eh.
Kasi maliit siya.
Oo, kasi maliit siya eh.
It's the back and
No
forth
offense,
between
no
these two
offense,
fighters.
no.
You can feel the tension and also the respect.